Hi, I'm Amber WTI, and I struggle with very, very dry skin, and this has been my go-to. This cleanser from Bioderma has been my lifesaver. I get such dry skin that it almost feels like tight and itchy. This provides 24-hour hydration. I find most body washes and cleansers even will really strip the skin of its natural oils, and I need those natural oils as much as possible. So this has really helped keep everything balanced. What I love about this big bottle is it's gonna last me a really long time. I actually pour this bigger bottle into a smaller pump just to use in my face. I keep this one in the shower and I keep the other one in my medicine cabinet, and it just works out so well. Normally, it's not recommended to use a body wash on your face, but I find this to be so gentle. It doesn't irritate my eyes, so I can use it to take off my makeup. It makes my skin feel great. It doesn't break me out. I recently switched over to this after I found my new cleanser was breaking me out like crazy. So my sensitive skin absolutely loves this. And that is my point of view.